Embark on an exploration of innovation with Amazon's latest lineup of the coolest gadgets available for immediate purchase. From smart devices to futuristic tech, meet your own AI helper called HiDock H1. It has some cool things it can do. First, it changes your phone calls into written words. Second, it's awesome for meetings because it records everything and gives a short summary of the important parts. Lastly, HiDock H1 also works as a headset for chatting. We found this cool underwater scooter on a well-known Chinese website. It works pretty well. When fully charged, the scooter can be used for about an hour and can dive as deep as 40 meters underwater. You can get this small dryer for $50. What sets it apart? The people who made it think it can help in lots of situations. It's good for drying clothes, shoes, bedding, and other things. When navigating through the world of virtual base and daily computer tasks, having a dependable cooling system is vital. This specific fan exceeded all expectations on Kickstarter, the crowdfunding platform, by achieving a funding amount that was 20 times more than what its creators initially set out to gather. This remarkable achievement signifies an overwhelming level of support and interest from backers who believed in the product's value and usefulness amidst the demands of virtual activities and daily routines. The original version of the modern SSD, the grandfather of today's compact storage drives, was quite large, almost resembling a fashionable accessory due to its bulky size, measuring 51 x 48 x 40 centimeters. However, its descendant, the latest version you see displayed on the screen, is vastly different. It's incredibly small, so much so that it can fit snugly on a keychain, occupying a space equivalent to just about 2 bottle caps. This transformation from a bulky ancestor to a compact keychain-sized device showcases the remarkable evolution and miniaturization in the world of storage technology. Sometimes, even the viewers who always watch us might find it hard to remember all the different multi-tools we've shown in our videos. But the people who made Tuking are sure that theirs has the perfect combination of tools. It weighs 220 grams and is small, but it has lots of great features. Apart from the regular screwdriver, flashlight, and cutter, they included a laser rangefinder, a 600 amp-hour battery with a USB-C port, a bubble level, and even a lighter. Atlancube in Taiwan shared that most people spend about 100 hours of their lives logging into different websites and apps. Considering this, spending $50 on this device appears quite sensible. This small tool, called a key fob, saves all your login details and passwords. It lets you access them using Bluetooth, making logging in much easier and quicker without the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Drones available for everyone are becoming more amazing. This small drone weighs less than 249 grams and is so small it can fit in a jacket pocket. No, but this drone doesn't just record videos in super clear 4K quality at 60 frames per second. It can also fly for up to 34 minutes with the basic battery and up to 47 minutes with the better one. Flying the drone is made easier with the Apex 4.0 system that spots obstacles in real time and helps avoid them. Also, it has features like time-lapse and vertical recording options, allowing you to make really cool videos to surprise your friends. There's an interesting GPS tracker available in Hong Kong called GoFindMe. A local company made this device, which is pretty cool. It doesn't just show where you are very accurately within about 5 meters, but it also lets you send text and voice messages. What's really neat is that it does all this without needing SIM cards, subscriptions, or the internet. The trick is that GoFindMe uses a special type of wireless technology called low RR wireless. This allows these gadgets to talk to each other even from as far as 8 kilometers away. Have you ever heard of pen testers? They are experts who check IT security systems by testing and finding problems in a legal way. Now, let me introduce you to CyperPRO. It's a helpful tool used by these pen testers. It might seem like a regular game console, but inside, it's packed with Wi-Fi, RFID, NFC, and Bluetooth modules. along with GPIO and transceivers. One of its notable abilities is performing a bad USB attack. When plugged into a USB port, it can pretend to be a different device. Before we delve into the exciting content ahead, let's create a community of innovation seekers. Hit that like button, share this with fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to join us on this exhilarating journey through the world of cutting-edge gadgets. Check out this strange device. It looks like a smartphone or PDA, but it's actually an all-in-one smart car key. It does lots of things, like controlling your car. You can easily open or close the doors, lock the trunk, or set off the alarm. It also controls garage doors and certain home appliances, like air conditioners, TVs, and projectors. Plus, it can copy keycards commonly used in many companies and enterprises, such as NFC, RFID, and HID cards. The ZPIN 360 allows you to rotate your action camera a complete 360 degrees. The creators say they thought about how the air moves to make sure your pictures come out clear. It's best used with cameras that can shoot at 240 frames per second, or in 8 times slow motion. Plus, it comes with a mount for your smartphone. The British company Briiv encourages us to breathe as nature intended. They've developed an exceptionally eco-friendly air purifier that relies on advanced NASA technology. This innovative purifier uses a combination of natural elements such as moss, coconut-based carbon, and sheep's wool to effectively cleanse the air around us. By harnessing these elements, it aims to replicate the natural purification processes found in the environment. This thoughtful design not only ensures cleaner air, but also emphasizes sustainability and eco-friendliness in its operation, aligning with the principles of nature. Chinese advancements in the realm of many projectors have marked an impressive milestone with the introduction of the Yaber Pico T1 model. This particular projector stands out due to its remarkable portability. It's incredibly small and compact, easily fitting inside a bag and even slipping snugly into a pocket. Weighing just 150 grams, it's incredibly lightweight. Despite its size, this projector offers remarkable functionality, delivering quality performance in a conveniently tiny package.